Hi, in this video we are going to know how to work with cartridge in HP DeskJet 2540 series printer. There are 7 sections in this video, so let's see first one. First one is check estimated ink level. You can easily check the ink supply level to determine how soon you might need to replace an ink cartridge. To ink supply level shows an estimate of amount of ink remaining in the ink cartridge. To check the ink in Windows 8, on the start screen, right click on empty area on the screen and click all apps on the app bar and click on the icon with the printer's name. In other operating system, you can refer the screen for more details. You can check it and you can follow the same to check the estimated ink level. Now let's see next section of this video, which is order ink supplies. Before ordering cartridges, locate the correct cartridge number. Locate the cartridge number on the printer. The cartridge number is located inside the cartridge access door, which you can see in this image, where you will find this cartridge number, right? So you can check from here. And now locate the cartridge number in the printer software. Depending on your operating system, do one of the following to open the printer software. In Windows 8, on the start screen, right click an empty area on the screen, click all apps on the app bar and then click on the icon with the printer's name. And in other operating system like Windows 7, Windows Vista and XP, you can refer the screen for more details that how can you locate the cartridge number in printer software. To order original HP supplies for the HP DeskJet 2540 series, you need to visit on the website, which is www.hp.com/buy/supplies. So here you can order ink in your country. Choose your country region first of all and then follow the prompt, because ordering ink cartridges online is not supported in all countries, so you can check first of all. Now let's move to the third section of this video, which is choose right ink cartridges. HP recommends that you use original HP cartridges. Original HP cartridges are designed and tested with HP printers to help you easily produce great results time after time. Now we will see next section of this video, which is replace ink cartridges. To replace the ink cartridge, follow the steps which is given. First one, check that power is on and then load paper. Third one, remove the ink cartridge. Now open the cartridge access door, as you can refer the screen, and wait for the print cartridge to move to the center of this printer so that you can remove the cartridge. And now press down to release the ink cartridge and then remove it from this spot. You can see image arrow is indicating the same. And after that, insert one new ink cartridge. Remove the ink cartridge from the packing, and remove the plastic tape using the pink pull tab. You can see image. And after that, slide the ink cartridge into slot until it clicks into place. You need to insert it in ink cartridge. And after that, close the cartridge access door as per this image. And important note, the HP printer software prompts you to align the ink cartridges when you print a document after installing the new ink cartridge. Now we will see next section of this video, which is use single cartridge mode. Use single cartridge mode to operate with the printer with only one ink cartridge. For more details, you can refer the screen and you can also exit single cartridge mode. Here you can see on the screen. Let's move to the next section. In the next section, you can see cartridge warranty information, where you can refer the screen for complete information. Let's move to the next section, which is tips for working with cartridges. You can follow these following tips which is given on the screen. You can read and follow the same. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any issue, related to cartridge with your printer, you can click on the support link which is available in video description for any help.